I'm going to tell you the branches of physics. Physics is, first of all, I'm gonna say the definition of physics. Physics is the branch of the science in which we study about matter, energy, and information, utility of doing work is called energy. Matter, everything exists in that world. That's matter. Iron, copper, gold. First branch of physics is mechanical physics. It is mainly considered with motion of effect, motion of object, or how object did motion cause of branch of physics in which we study about the heat energy, like nature of heat. Sunlight is a heat energy, and modes of heat, effects of heat. What are the effects of heat? And the third one is sound physics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about the sound and how it behaves. Like I'm whatever I am telling, so it is going through a wave, sound wave. So if there is no oxygen or air, so the sound cannot travel. And the fifth one is optics physics. Uh, Fourth one, it is the branch of physics in which we study about the behavior and properties, uh, uh, how light work. Use the optical instrument. Optical instrument is microscope. Without light, microscope cannot be used. And magnetism. So if electricity is in rest condition, it did not produce electricity. So if it is in motion condition, it produce electricity. And the sixth one is atomic physics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about atoms and particle and their arrangement. Atom of hydrogen, and in the atom there is a nucleus. So in there is proton, there is the electron. And the seventh one is nuclear physics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about the nucleus of the atom, properties, behavior, and particles. The eighth one is plasma physics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about the ions, production, plasma. And ninth one is geophysics. It is the branch of physics in which we study about the internal part of earth, like what is in the bottom of earth, like gold and lot of gases.
शाबाश.